everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be making this eye look with the new Riviera palette. And I will give you my opinion about the Riviera palette and their new setting spray. So please stay tuned for this video. I started with the color Monte Carlo to make a base for the entire look. And for that I used the brush JS4. This is from the collection Jeffree Star and Morphe. After that, I go ahead and try the color Bahamas, and for that I use my Sephora number 38. After that, I grab one brush that it will be for my entire lid, and I use that beautiful blue color Seychelles. Grab a little bit of that beautiful purple Canes and I put it between my eyelid and the mobile part of my eye. After, I grab Sails and I put it in my inner corner. For the bottom part of my eyes, I use Seaside and I use again Bahamas. And then at the end I decided to put a little bit of that beautiful gold color on my eyebrow bone. So this is how this makeup look come out. What do I think about this palette? This palette is beautiful. If you're a fan of the Anastasia Beverly Hills formulas, you will like it. I will say one of the colors that I have a little bit issues with was this purple, and I'm glad that I used it very minimal because otherwise it would have been a very difficult blending time for me. Another thing that I noticed, and I don't know if a lot of people have or not, but a lot of the colors that are in the Riviera are in other palettes. And two of the most important colors, or at least the colors that I like the most in the Riviera, is the Bahamas and the Canes, which are the pink and the purple color. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm sorry about that, Anastasia Beverly Hills, but James Charles palette has very similar pink and purple as those, and very easy to blend. And this white is way bigger in here. I don't see the beautiful gold color that this one has, but besides that, I mean guys, you just see the colors are very similar, and this palette is way cheaper than this, and this has a lot more colors to play with. And I'm definitely very happy with my Morphe James Charles palette. At the same time, I will say this one is more practical to grab it, to go, to travel with. I will never in a million years will take this palette if I'm only having a carry-on. This is too big and I will never take it with me. Sometimes it's a little annoying how big it is for my desk, but something like this, I definitely will take it with me. I don't need to complement this palette with anything else. It has enough shimmers and it has enough neutral colors on it. I can create millions and millions eye looks with it. I can create a very neutral one, an everyday one, a very sophisticated one, a very pop color like this one that I'm wearing today with this palette. I'm very happy with it. But again, if you already have these colors, don't bother, don't buy it. If you love the formula of Anastasia Beverly Hills, go ahead and buy it. That's my conclusion on this. What do I think about this? This is like a copy of the MAC. I mean, tell me if the packaging is just quite the same. To me, they look super similar. I don't know how this basically performs, but it has a smell on it, which is not bad. I hope that it doesn't create a very dry skin feeling. For now, it does not. But so far I like it. I would give them, the packaging is very pretty. I love the shimmer outside the bottle. It looks very pretty and sophisticated. I like how easy it moves. I mean, it's just another setting spray. I don't think it's a very much different. I will have to wear for a couple of weeks to see if it's any difference between the ones that I have already and that one. But definitely it's a good one. I don't have anything extra to say about that one. Okay guys, don't forget I'm running a giveaway on this palette. Go check my video that I post on Tuesday. In that video I will give you all the details how to enter for the giveaway. Please, how it is, I want to make this clear because I'm getting it people are getting a little confused. This is international. Everybody can and will enter if they want. You must be over 18 years old. Please do not get me in trouble. Be 18 or plus. If you are not, ask your parents to enter in the giveaway for you. Also, go follow me on Instagram. I put a picture there about this palette. In that comment section is where I'm gonna grab everybody for the Instagram entry, okay? Not in any picture, not in every picture. In that specific picture I posted on Thursday. Okay, so go to my Instagram and look at that picture. Look for that picture. I posted on Thursday. Also, only in that video that I post on Tuesday is where I'm gonna grab the comments, my subscribers, and the likes from. So, what do you have to do? Follow me on my on Instagram, subscribe to my channel. When it's about YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Give a like and comment to that video, a specific video that it was posted on Tuesday. Also, for Instagram, look for that picture that I posted on Thursday. I'm gonna put here the days and where. Instagram and YouTube. Please do it that way because I have another giveaway running at the same time of the brushes of Jeffree Star, and I want to have them separate because I want to be fair to the people who already started the one from Jeffree Star, and I want to make sure that only the people who really want this palette will win it, right? So I will be announcing the giveaways, both of them, on March 17th, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!